hey, check out this beautiful, huge bouquet of flowers. We've got these awesome gold balloons. I guess we should talk about the $25,000 check. Hey, you're watching DelmarvaLife. We're here in Berlin at Ocean Downs Casino, and we're about to surprise one person's life who's about to be changed. That's why I'm here with my friend Marissa. She's the marketing manager with Ocean Downs Casino. And Marissa, you told me you've been doing this promotion for a number of years now,
Yeah,
right?
We've been doing the Cash Splash Sweepstakes for 5 years now. So it's where we're going to deliver $25,000 to one lucky winner's house tonight.
One lucky winner's house. They don't even have to leave the house to get 25 grand, right? There's no catch to this thing. So tell me, how do people qualify for this?
So the month of November, we had this promotion running. So as long as they earned 100 points, they got a physical scratch off and a digital entry into the finalist drawing. On Friday, we had our finalist drawing and choose 5 finalists. And they all have a chance to win this $25,000 tonight.
Oh my goodness. And you were telling me a little bit off camera, you said you told all these 5 finalists to be home. We're gonna go down the order. You guys picked a random order.
Correct.
And we're gonna go to the first house. If they're not there, which I hope they are there, we'll keep going to the next house and the next one,
Exactly.
and somebody's life is gonna be changed tonight.
Exactly.
So, Marissa, I think there's only one thing to do is go out there, go on that party bus and surprise that winner. What do you say?
All right, let's go.
All right,
I'm
let's
ready.
do it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Marissa, do you think Lori's gonna be surprised tonight?
Oh yeah, she's definitely going to be surprised.
I think so. Anybody who's giving away $25,000, you're gonna be shocked, maybe even at a loss of words, right?
Absolutely.
We'll have to wait and see, I guess, right?
Yes.
All right, Marissa, we can already hear the cheers, the applause, the excitement out here. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Uh-oh! We almost got the balloon stuck under that tree! Hi, how are you? What is your name?
Lori Campbell!
Lori Campbell! You just won $25,000! Of course you can! Of course you can! Are you, I guess this is probably an obvious question, but are you surprised?
Yes! I never thought in a million. Oh my God, I'm so happy.
Lori, I was kind of hoping that hug would kind of rub some of your luck off to me. I think. Give me another one. Give me another one. How are you feeling right now? What's going through your mind right now?
I am so shocked. I am
Shocked?
so blessed. I want to thank everybody. I just can't speak right now. I'm so sorry.
Tell everybody at home your story. Tell everybody about you. A little bit about you.
Lori Campbell. I have 2 girls, Casey and Courtney, and my husband Tommy. I got to mention him. And I'm from Stockton, Maryland.
Was that who you were on the phone with? Were you on the phone with Tommy?
I was with my daughter.
Oh, that was with your daughter. Okay.
I hung up on him. I'm just so blessed. This is just wonderful. Just around Christmas time to help people, and I just can't believe it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. So what are you planning to use the money for?
We need a new deck. That's
There you
one
go.
thing.
There's a lot you can do with 25 grand, Lori. Let me tell you.
Hey, IRS. Oh my God, I just can't believe it.
Oh. Is there anything else that you want people at home to know about this promotion, about Ocean Downs Casino? What do you want people to know?
Come and play, and you got a chance to win.
Come and play, and you can be just like Lori, coming home a winner.
Yes.
Can we send it back to our friends at the studio? Say back to the studio, you guys.
Back to the studio.
Back to the studio.
That is so exciting.
So much fun, yeah.
And if you missed being part of the Cash Splash Sweepstakes, do not worry. Ocean Downs Casino has another chance for you to win big this month.
From now through December 31st, every 50 points you earned at Ocean Downs will go towards an entry to win a brand new Kia Sorrentos. The winner will be announced at the final drawing on New Year's Eve at 10 a.m. So how much fun was that, right?
That was a lot of fun, and I can think of a lot of things I could do with 25 grand.
Be a very special Christmas, that's for sure.